on, y'all? We are on a POV drive tonight. I got my plates on, so I'm not gonna show too much, and I'm not gonna go too wild, but I've never been on this side of the city, so I'm gonna just, keep it brief. I'm really just rolling. I don't really got nowhere to go, no destination. I got bored at the crib, so we outside tonight. We're gonna find something to do. There's probably some car meets tonight, but I didn't really feel like going. Keep it a buck. But yeah, let's get to it. Oh, and my car's dirty. Let me get my seatbelt. Oh, that was difficult. What they waiting on? What's having a concert over here? I have absolutely no idea where I'm at right now. That exhaust. My car is super loud for what it is. It's just a muffler delete and a resonator delete. I still got cats, no headers, none of that, and this thing screams. X-pipe, by the way. I heard H-pipe is a little quieter, but I got X-pipe. I don't know what an H-pipe sounds like. I don't think I've run into a Mustang with an H-pipe. What's back here? Is that a field? Ooh, that's a cop. That is a field. They playing soccer? Right here, let it back out. I'm gonna back out. So I made it to nowhere. Never played soccer a day in my life, but I could walk on and smoke all money on it. Only like $2 though, because I know I'm confident, but I ain't that confident. See, I would have blocked that. Bad recovery, bad recovery. I might just get out and hop on the field. This dude's behind me, like, bro, just leave. He's waiting for me to back out after I just let him back out. But we're gonna be here forever if we keep being nice to each other. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so I went back out the way I came. Let's go to the right. Let's see what's over here. Nice Infinity. That's nice Benz. I don't know if I can see it with this camera. Got the puppies over here. I don't know about y'all, but when I see dogs and babies and stuff like that, I try to make my car look quieter. I don't really want to startle the little ones. It's not very nice to do. But parents? No, I don't care about the parents. Where am I? What is this? Okay, it looks like apartments. Like, I've really never been back here. Crazy part is, the area I live in, that was speed bump. Dang, I just went over that too quick. The area I live in, there's no trenches. No hood, no project, no nothing. So even though, like, it looked like it could be a one, it's not. Oh, they got a gate. Turn my black behind around. All right, we're getting back out of here. They got a gate, so I can't go too far in. One thing about these speed bumps right here, they like kind of be scaring me for wanting to lower my car. Because I do want to lower my car in the future, but speed bumps, driveways, all the simple stuff, it's not gonna be simple no more. I'm gonna do them all, the three-wheel turn and all that. I have been looking at options though for like a boost and all that. So I've been looking at a Whipple and I've been looking at a ESS G3R centrifugal supercharger. It's pretty much a Pro Charger, but it's ESS. Pretty much same thing. So the Whipple is like instant torque, and the centrifugal is like, it's also belt driven, but it's like belt air, if I'm right. I don't know. I didn't look too much into it, but I know it works more like a turbo, like it builds over time at high RPM. Wake up, everybody. I'm joking. I should be asleep myself. Dude, I wake up so early in the morning to go to work. And I'll be at work forever. Come home tired every week, man. But it's kind of my fault because I do be going to sleep late. So, yeah. Can't really complain too hard. If there was that Beyonce concert that was going on, because I see a lot of people like cowboy stuff, and I know she had like she had one in DC recently. Ah, man, it was a green Porsche. I should have went straight. Okay, I know where I'm at. security truck. He did not follow me, but he is watching me. Oh, he's following me.